8 things that can make your boyfriend jealous. Has your boyfriend ever gotten in a bad mood because of something you thought was harmless? Without meaning to, you may have made him jealous. These 8 things can make the green-eyed monster rear its head. Number 1. Men hitting on you. Some guys get jealous if you tell them about men catcalling you in the street. While they may be happy to feel like they're dating a desirable girl, they can also get jealous over these strange men. If you focus on the fact that you turned them down, or that the men in question were nothing much to look at, he may calm down and listen to your story. Number 2. Male acquaintances inviting you out for a meal. Even if you refuse a dinner invitation from a male acquaintance, many guys will be less than pleased to hear that you were approached by another man. Even if you turned down the invitation, it might be best to keep the whole incident from your boyfriend and spare him the agitation. Number 3. Your plans to go out with a mixed gender group. Some boyfriends get jealous when they hear that you plan to go out with a group that includes women and men. To soothe his jealousy and get him to hear you out, try giving him information that will assure him those guys won't hit on you. For example, explain that the guys in the group are dating your girlfriends. Number 4. Long-time close male friends. Hearing you talk about close male friends you've known forever will make some boyfriends jealous, particularly if you've known your friend longer than you have your boyfriend. He may worry that your friend knows you better than he does. Why not introduce your old friend to your boyfriend to show him that your old friend is not someone you could view romantically? Number 5. The virtues of your male boss. Talking passionately about how much you admire your boss can be a problem. If he thinks an older man is standing in his way, it may lead to feelings of inadequacy and jealousy. It might be best to avoid singing your boss's praises in front of your boyfriend. Number 6. Your male co-workers. Your boyfriend may get jealous when you tell him about a male co-worker who started at your company around the same time you did. It might upset him to hear that you can open up to this co-worker with whom you shared the anxiety of starting work at a new company. One good strategy might be to tell him more stories about the woman who started at the same time as you. Number 7. The male stylist you always see. Your boyfriend might get jealous when you talk about the stylist you always choose when you visit the hair salon. If your stylist is unmarried, and especially if he isn't seeing anyone, your boyfriend may worry that he's out to steal you. It might be a good idea to lead with the fact that your stylist has a girlfriend, or someone they like, to give your boyfriend some peace of mind. Number 8. The good looks of a male celebrity on TV. Gushing over a male celebrity when he appears on TV can make your boyfriend jealous. Obviously, this is nothing more than a celebrity crush. It's not like you're really in love with him, but some guys will take it seriously, so be careful. Please hit the thumbs up and subscribe buttons and leave a comment below this video to let me know your thoughts. If you have any questions, please drop me a comment below this video and let me know what you would like to see next and what type of videos you want me to create for you. I will be able to respond back to you as soon as possible. Also, be sure to check out our other videos as well. Thanks for watching.